Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt using an easy method. To begin your adventure, select the Just the Story difficulty setting. This option significantly reduces combat challenge, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the rich narrative and world. Prioritize the main questline, marked clearly on your map, to progress through Geralt's epic journey without getting sidetracked. Remember to check the in-game tutorials for helpful tips on combat and alchemy. Simplifying combat is key to an easy playthrough. Always prioritize dodging and rolling to evade enemy strikes, keeping Geralt safe. The Quen sign is your best friend. Cast it before and during fights for a protective shield that absorbs damage. Remember to apply the correct monster oils to your silver sword for increased effectiveness against specific creature types. Also, ensure you are always equipping the best armor and weapons you find to maximize your combat readiness. Exploring the vast world of The Witcher 3 is a core part of the experience. Utilize fast travel by interacting with signposts you've discovered, allowing quick movement across the map. While focusing on the main story, don't shy away from some side quests. They offer excellent experience points and valuable gear. Regularly visit merchants to sell your accumulated loot and purchase essential alchemy ingredients or new equipment. Always remember to use your Witcher senses to uncover hidden secrets and track objectives. Developing Geralt's abilities is crucial for an easy playthrough. Focus your skill points on combat and your favorite Witcher signs, like Quen or Igni, to enhance their effectiveness. Crafting potions and bombs provides significant tactical advantages in tougher encounters, so gather ingredients diligently. Always upgrade your armor and weapons at blacksmiths and armorers to maintain a strong defense and offense. Finally, remember to consume food and drink regularly to regenerate health outside of combat, keeping Geralt ready for anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.